Dr. Kiiza Besigye has not appeared before Buganda Road Magistrates Court to answer charges of inciting violence, which offence prosecution alleges that was committed around Kikuubo in Kampala. Despite informing court in writing that he was indisposed, his co-accused Samuel Lubega Mukaaku was present in court. It's alleged that the two were arrested as they were expressing concern over the hiked price of commodities in the country.
Uganda police went ahead to issue a radio communication, which we have a copy of. And CPS, I believe, also did all it could to summon this police officer through the appropriate channels.
Because when the state has gotten a witness, they have their particulars. He would have gone an extra mile to explain they have called him on the phone, probably his phone is off, or he's on the way coming.
You know, the issue of whether he is in prison legally or not, those are matters, you know, that would concern whoever remanded him.
During the submissions of both lawyers, a letter from the prison authorities was brought to the attention of court from Dr. Kiiza Besigye. The letter dated 11th February 2025, read by Magistrate Nancha Jatiko. Besigye intimated to court and his legal team that he couldn't make it to court.
So while you were deliberating about the whereabouts of Dr. Kiiza Besigye, I have just received communications from Uganda prisons, and their communication is to the essence that Dr. Kiiza Besigye himself declined to attend court. There's a letter attached from him, and it says it's to inform you that I'm currently indisposed and unable to attend court today. Yours sincerely, signed by Dr. Kiiza Besigye. So from what I'm getting from this is that he himself declined to attend court. So the only thing I can do now is grant the adjournment and issue a production warrant for him to appear the next date.
Magistrate Winnie Nancha Jatiko issued a production warrant to the prison authorities to have the accused in court on 14th February 2025.
This is serious. It's quite worrying. We are greatly concerned about his health now. To be indisposed to the extent of failing to make it to court is such a serious matter. And nowhere in the letter the prison's authorities have indicated that they are taking him to any medical facility. And we want to emphasize this, a medical facility of his choice. So this is a serious matter which is of great concern to us.
Dr. Kiiza Besigye's legal team expressed concern on the continued detention of the accused, including denying him access to his people.
There's something the prison's authorities is not telling us. And it's the reason now we want to make it formal. We are going to write to the Commissioner General of Prisons today, indicating to him that tomorrow by midday, all of us, the lawyers, will have to assemble there and see if we can access him, do our due diligence as the magistrate suggested, and establish the state of affairs regarding his health.
Of recent, the prison spokesperson, Frank Baini, informed the public that the accused Dr. Kiiza Besigye was on a hunger strike.
Mixed signals coming from Luzira. Now the letter is indicating he is indisposed. That is the communication coming. Media reports are to the effect that he is on a hunger strike. So we are left at a loss. This is what we are saying. This is the explanation we are giving, that actually we are in a dilemma as to what is happening and what to do next in regards to his incarceration, because we have done everything. What is happening? This is the question we are also posing, because the reports we are getting are quite confusing.
Deborah Namamonde, Viola Nance, Suboga, UBC News, Suboga, UBC News, Suboga, UBC News.